In this video, I'm going to be performing partial fraction decomposition involving distinct linear factors using the method of comparing coefficients. So for this example, I'm going to be performing partial fraction decomposition of 2x plus 1 over x plus 2 x minus 4. So the first step is to assume the partial fraction form. So looking at the table, I can see that we have distinct linear terms in the denominator. This means that the partial fractions are going to be of the form a over x plus 2 plus b over x minus 4. So the next step is to multiply through by the left-hand side denominator. It's multiplying everything by x plus 2 and x minus 4. On the left-hand side, both the x plus 2 and x minus 4 terms will cancel. With the a term, only the x plus 2's will cancel. And with the b term, only the x minus 4's will cancel. So this leaves us with 2x plus 1 equals a times x minus 4 plus b times x plus 2. So collecting like terms on the right-hand side, we can rewrite this as 2x plus 1 equals x times a plus b plus minus 4a plus 2b. And now we want to compare the coefficients. So on the left-hand side, the coefficient of the x is 2, and this has to be equal to the coefficient of the x on the right-hand side, which is a plus b. This gives us the equation 2 equals a plus b. Then also comparing the numbers. On the left-hand side we have 1, and on the right-hand side we have minus 4a plus 2b. Therefore, the second equation is 1 equals minus 4a plus 2b. We can solve these simultaneous equations using any method that you know. So here I'm going to use the elimination method. So noting in the second equation we have 4a, and in the first equation we only have 1a. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by 4. This gives me 8 equals 4a plus 4b. And then leaving the second equation as it is, 1 equals minus 4a plus 2b. So from here, we've got 4a in the first equation, minus 4a in the second equation. So adding them together, we get 9 is equal to 6b, which means that b is equal to 3 over 2. Then we can substitute this back into the first equation, which is the 2 equals a plus b. So 2 is equal to a plus 3 over 2. Subtracting 3 over 2 from both sides gives that a is equal to a half. And now we've found a and b, we can put this back into our assumed partial fraction form. This means that 2x plus 1 over x plus 2 x minus 4 is equal to a half over x plus 2 plus 3 over 2 over x minus 4.